Exploding into English. Unpacking. Begin with a blast. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's as dynamic as it is inspiring. Begin with a blast. This expression is not just about starting something. It's about starting with incredible energy and enthusiasm. If you're ready to ignite your English learning journey, you're in the right place. Let's explore together how this phrase can add excitement to your conversations and writings. Begin with a blast is a metaphorical phrase used to describe starting something with a lot of energy, excitement, or success. The word blast here conjures up images of fireworks or explosions, events that start off with a powerful and noticeable impact. Originally, this phrase might have drawn from contexts where a literal explosion marked the beginning of an event, such as a race starting with a gunshot. Today, it's used more broadly to signify a vigorous start to any endeavor. This phrase is versatile and can be applied in various contexts, from personal achievements to large-scale events. Personal goals. I decided to begin my fitness journey with a blast, signing up for a marathon. Projects and work. Our team began the new project with a blast, completing the first phase ahead of schedule. Events and gatherings. The festival began with a blast, with fireworks lighting up the night sky. It's a way to emphasize the enthusiasm or effectiveness with which something was started, making it a great tool for storytelling or motivational speeches. Let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. She began her presentation with a blast, captivating everyone's attention immediately. To begin the new year with a blast, they planned an unforgettable party. The movie begins with a blast, setting up an exciting storyline right from the start. Notice how the phrase adds a layer of dynamism and excitement, suggesting that the start was not just good but memorable. Begin with a blast is more than just a phrase, it's an approach to life. It reminds us to start our endeavors with energy, passion, and a desire to make an impact. Whether you're embarking on a new learning journey, kicking off a project, or just looking to add some flair to your English, remember the power of beginning with a blast. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this exploration adds a spark to your English language adventures.